Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Avis, Toronto Pearson Airport, and let's just go for a walk here. It's a long weekend, but they've actually got a pretty good inventory left. And Avis has got a number of these Mach-E electrics floating around. They've also got some Teslas. We've got here Suburban, Bronco, and got Q7 pulling in here, and you see a Genesis over there. Some people picking up over there, so we'll just mosey on over here. We got a 4Runner from New York. And here's that Genesis. So these are they're all gas powered up here in Toronto. Nice thing about Avis is they still have some of the Chargers, and I think they might even have some of the 300s left. Got a bunch of the trucks down here. Q5 over there. And yeah, there's a 300 down here. We got the Durango. Got some Jeeps. Hemi Ram 1500. The Durango was a Hemi, had the sunroof. I really should try and rent one of these 300s before they're all gone. Have one more ride. Got another Cherokee. That looks like the longer one. Yeah, a couple minivans. Genesis SUV down there. Lincoln Aviator. Audi Escape. Here's another, the Genesis, gas-powered, I think 2.5 turbo. An older Camry. Genesis, yeah, they got a lot of larger SUVs in. Oh, this is that a Sienna van? What is that? Yeah, what? I'm just curious, the trim, guys. It's got the sunroof, blackout trim, and XSE all-wheel drive. Oh, this is the new Highlander. Is it? Let's take a peek inside if it's not. Yep. Oh, I like the seats. Yeah, that actually looks JBL audio. Yeah, that actually looks really nice. Oh, that'd be a nice. Yeah, I wasn't sure what that was. Got another Jeep there. Escape, Malibu, an Audi. And Avis used to go down another aisle, but National is getting a little bit bigger. So they've got a couple of these Durango RTs. Pacifica S Titanium. Oh, that Pacifica's kind of nice with the S and the blackout trim on it. And yeah. Did we already? No, I don't think we did this second half here. Sorry guys, I get wandering, I forget where I've been. And oh, there's an Expedition, it's kind of nice. If it's, oh, this has got a blackout trim. Fairly new license plates, is it? This is probably locked, yeah. Oh, no, it's not. 17,000, so about 10,000 miles on it, guys. Yeah, these are the big ones. Sorry, it's so dark. Yeah, they haven't got the interior lights on. But third row seats, tons of room in there, right? Limited. Expedition Max, so that's like the extra long one. We got Q5 over here. We'll just go along the end and wrap things up. Just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And And as we wrap things up, I'll just say I'll see you guys in the next one.